Hello dear students, in this video you all learn about percentage composition, calculation, empirical formula and molecular formula, problems related to empirical formula and molecular formula. Percentage composition plays a very important role in everyday life. It is more than just the amount of chlorine in your swimming pool because it concerns everything from the money in your pocket to your health and how you live. The percentage composition, the percentage by mass of each element in a compound. Percentage composition is equal to the mass percentage of an element in a compound is the same regardless of the sample size. Having information about the percentage composition of a compound will allow you to determine the mole ratio of elements present in a compound. Once you have this, you can find the ratio of ions in a compound. Percentage composition is calculated by this formula. Mass of element in 1 mole of compound divided by molar mass of compound into 100. It gives percentage element in compound. I am taking an example of Chex Mix. Your bag of Chex Mix contains 15 pretzels and 3 rye crackers and a whole lot of Chex. What is the percentage of pretzels in the mixture? What is the percentage composition of pretzels in my mixture is calculated by mass of pretzels divided by total mass of Chex Mix into 100. It gives mass percentage of the pretzels. And this is for your work. We can use this same idea to calculate the mass percentage of element in a compound. Calculate the mass percentage of the calcium and chlorine present in the calcium chloride. First, to know down mass of the calcium divided by total mass of the calcium chloride into 100. It gives the mass of calcium, mass percentage of calcium present in the compound. Like that for the chlorine, mass of chlorine divided by total mass of the chlorine into 100. It gives the mass percentage of the chlorine. Two more examples. Find the formula weight and the percentage composition of glucose. You may know the chemical formula of glucose is C6H12O6. First step, to note down the symbols of the compound. Here three main symbols are there: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Note down weight of carbon is 12, weight of hydrogen is 1, weight of oxygen is 16. Then it is multiplied by the total number of each atoms in a compound. Here carbons are 6 in atom, so 6 into 12 it gives 72. Like that, here 12 hydrogens are there, 12 into 1.01 it gives 12.12. Like that, oxygen 6 into 16 it gives 96. The total amount it gives 180.1 gram per mole. It gives mass weight or the formula weight of the compound. Later on you calculate the percentage composition of each element in a compound. First one, percentage of carbon is calculated by total weight of the carbon 72 divided by total weight of the glucose 180.1 into 100. It gives 40 percentage. Like that for the hydrogen 12.12 divided by 180 into 100, it gives 6.73 percentage of hydrogen. Like that for the percentage of oxygen it gives 96 divided by 180.1 into 100, it gives 53.3 percentage of the oxygen. So here the percentage of each elements carbon, hydrogen and oxygen follows as 40, 6.73 and 53.3. Similarly for the one more example, calculate the percentage composition of carbon and nitrogen in urea. First write down the composition of urea, formula of urea. It is NH2 CONH2, otherwise CONH2 twice. Answer is, first find out the molar mass of the urea. How to find out molar mass? Molar mass is a sum of the atomic masses of each element in a compound. Molar mass of urea gives here the atomic weight of carbon plus atomic weight of oxygen plus 2 in numbers. Nitrogens are 2. So 2 into atomic mass of nitrogen plus 4 into, here 4 hydrogens, 4 into atomic weight of hydrogen. Atomic weight of carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, nitrogen is 14. Nitrogens are 2, so 14 2s are 28, plus hydrogen weight is 1, 4 hydrogens are there, 4 into 1, 1 into 4 or 4 into 1, it gives 4. Total weight gives the molecular mass of urea is 60. Later on, calculate the percentage of the carbon in compound. Here only one carbon is there, so 1 into weight of carbon is 12 divided by molar mass of the urea is 60 into 100. It gives you 20% of the carbon present in urea. Like that for nitrogen. Here 2 nitrogens are there. So 2 into weight of nitrogen 14 divided by molar mass of urea is 60 into 100. Finally it gives 46.67% of the nitrogen. Next part, empirical formula and molecular formula. Before to go the calculation part, you know the meaning of empirical formula and molecular formula. Empirical formula is the simplest ratio of elements in a chemical formula. Let us see. Molecular formula meaning the actual number of elements in a compound. Whole number multiple of the empirical formula, it gives the molecular formula. Molecular formula is a whole number multiple of the empirical formula. No? Here the empirical formula of the compound forms H2SO. The whole number they given 4. Multiplied 4 to the empirical formula, it gives 4 to the 8. Gives H8S4O16. This is a molecular formula of the compound. Let us see what is the difference between molecular formula and empirical formula. A molecular formula tells exactly how many of each atom are in the molecule. Empirical formula of sugar is or glucose is C6H12O6. This is a molecular formula of the sugar. Like that, empirical formula tells the ratio of atoms in a molecule. The empirical formula of sugar is CH2O. Here the whole number is 6. Multiplied this empirical formula by 6, it gives C6H12O6. So what empirical formula mean? It is a ratio of atoms in a molecule. But what molecular formula says? It exactly tells about how many of each atoms are there in a molecules. How do we find substances empirical formula? By dividing all subscript by the same number. It is the empirical formula of H4S2O8. It is a molecular formula H4S2O7. The empirical formula formed, it is whole divided by 2. The subscript are divided by 2 to get H2SO4. It is the empirical formula of the compound. Molecular formula, it is multiplied by 2, it gives H4S2O8. This is a molecular formula of the compound. Empirical formula from percentage composition. All the percentage of the elements in a compound add up to the 100%. Assume a 100 gram sample, then the weight of each element in the same as the percentage. Here calculation of empirical formula example. Cisplatin is a compound that was once used to treat tumors. Use the percent by mass of each element in the compound to calculate the empirical formula. They given platinum as a 65.02%, 9.34% of nitrogen, 2.02% of hydrogen, 23.63% of chlorine. By seeing the next step, to calculate the empirical formula. This is for your work, and next I will solve the problems related to the empirical formula. First problem, very important. Calculate the empirical and molecular formulas of a compound that contains 80% of carbon, 20% of hydrogen and has a molar mass of 30 gram. Let us calculate. They given 80% of carbon. So first note down percentage of carbon divided by weight of the carbon. 80 divided by 12, it gives 6.67 mole. Like that for hydrogen, they given 20% of hydrogen. It converted into percentage to the gram. 20 gram divided by 1 gram per mole of hydrogen, it gives 20 mole of hydrogen. Among these two, which one is least? Carbon is least, that is of 6.67. So multiplied 6.67 divided by 6.67, it gives 1. Like that for hydrogen, 20 divided by 6.67 means least number is divided by both the number. It gives 20 divided by 6.67 means 3. It gives 193 ratio. Carbon is 1 in mole, hydrogen is 3 in mole. It gives the empirical formula as CS3. Later on, then 30 divided by 50. To calculate the molecular formula, then 30 is given weight of the compound divided by total weight of the empirical formula. Total weight of the empirical formula is 12 of carbon. Carbon weight is 12 plus 3 into weight of hydrogen is 1. 12 plus 3, it gives 15. So first note down, given weight 30 gram divided by weight of empirical formula. 30 divided by 15 is equal to 2. So empirical formula into this formed N. This 2 is called N. Empirical formula into N gives the molecular formula. CS3 into 2, it gives C2H6. Finally, C2H6 is a molecular formula of the compound. Similarly, one more problem. Calculate the empirical formula of a compound that containing how much percentage of carbon? 52.14% of carbon and 13.12% of hydrogen and 34.73% of oxygen. Let us calculate the empirical formula of a compound. Given percentage of carbon is 52.14. Convert that into gram. Percentage is replaced by the gram. 52.14 gram divided by 12. 12 is the atomic weight of the carbon. It gives 4.35. Next, given 13.12% of hydrogen, replace percentage into gram. It gives 13.12 gram of hydrogen divided by weight of the hydrogen is 1. It gives 13.12 gram. Later on, given percentage of oxygen is 34.73. The percentage is replaced by the gram. Note down 34.73 gram, 73 gram divided by weight of oxygen, that is 16 gram per mole. It gives the 2.17. Among these three, which one is least value? Least value is oxygen, 2.17. So divide 2.17 to each three numbers. So 4.35 divided by 2.17, it gives the 2 in number. Like that, 13.12 divided by 2.17, it gives the 6. Like that, 2.17 divided by 2.17, it gives the 1. It forms the ratio as carbon 2, hydrogen 6, oxygen 1. So it gives the empirical formula C2H6O. Empirical formula is C2H6O. Last one more problem related to calculation of the empirical formula. They given the element as a carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They given percentage value also. How much percentage? Just now did know 54.54 and 9.09 given hydrogen and 36.36 of oxygen. These are given values of percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. You people calculate the empirical formula. Note down. Relative number of moles. How to calculate? Percentage is converted into gram is 54.54 gram divided by weight of carbon is 12. It gives 4.53. Like that for hydrogen 9.09 divided by 1 it gives 9.09. Like that for oxygen they given 36.36 percentage. So we will put 36.36 divided by 16 is the weight of the oxygen. It gives 2.27. Simple ratio moles formed 4.53. Among these three, which one is least? This one is least. So divide each this by 2.27. So 4.53 is divided by 2.27, it gives 2. 9.09 divided by 2.27, it gives 4. 2.27 divided by 2.27, it gives 1. What it forms? Simplest whole number ratio 2, 4 and 1. C are 2 in number, hydrogen 4 in number, oxygen 1 in number. So it gives the empirical formula as C2H4O. I think you understood, students. Thank you all.